Hello everyone, this is yours truly again, Orly here, and today we have a very special shoe that we're going to review. And that, of course, without saying, is the Kobe Proto 6 Mambacita edition that was just released May 1st. Retail for $180. You know, it's a legacy defining shoe for both Kobe Bryant and Gigi Bryant. You know, Gigi Bryant was quoted as saying, "I will pick up my father's legacy mantle," so to speak. And you know, it was just very devastating. It was very devastating when he passed away early in 2020. It was just one of those things that, you know, you don't see great players dying of, you know, an accident or something like catastrophic as what happened to that family. Usually you see them die of old age, right? Something like that. Anyhow, without further ado, we'll get into the shoe. The box, I thought it was more, from what I saw in other editions, it looked more customizable, more friendly, but for the general release, all I had is the signature, the Kobe Bryant logo, Nike swoosh in the back, and then of course Kobe 6 Proto, you know, that's the edition of the shoe, and Mambacita edition. When you open it up, there's nothing really special about the box, as you can see. Nothing really to it. It's wrapped in paper. I'm going to go ahead and get the shoes out first real quick. I'm going to get them out. I'm going to sit down. Like I said, nothing too special about the box. Other editions that I saw, it had like a paragraph. It had like, you know, a really nice statement from Nike, from the family. You know, those things. Right off the bat, these look amazing. Okay, you know, people who don't really touch the shoe or you know, haven't seen it up close, when you touch it right away, it has like, it feels like scales. You know, obviously Mamba for you know, Kobe Bryant, the black Mamba. And it's Mambacita. They feel like scales, like snake scales. That's exactly what it looks like. It has a very unique texture, and I really love it. It looks awesome. It looks great. It looks great, to be honest. You have your pair of white, white tip black shoelaces. As you can see, it comes in. Shoelaces are white with black tips, so it's pretty much the reverse in this case. And that's pretty much it. It doesn't really come with anything out of this world, or you know, anything too outfetched, things like that. We're gonna review the left shoe first because both pairs are slightly different, but I'm just gonna get to the granular of things in terms of how they're both almost the same. Okay, so first off, let's start off with the main design of the shoe. Again, like I said, the scales, the swoosh sign, you know, the barcode to see, you know, if the shoes are fake, you know, things of that nature. Nike does this little barcode thing, and in the front here it says Venom Menem, okay? That's what it says. I pretty like it. It's a Venom Menem. That's what it says, okay? It's like their motto, so to speak. It says it right there on the tip of the toe. Of course, Gigi's number 2. That was her number. And then Kobe on the left pair. Kobe on the left pair with the Mamba emblem with the snakes around it. Really cool, right? Really unique. Very awesome. And it pays homage to him and her. You really like it. The Zoom, Nike Zoom logo here at the bottom, you can barely see it because it's black, it's blacked out. And then of course at the bottom, you got the the Kobe logo with you know, a little bit of carbon fiber here at the middle. So it has carbon fiber. I was really surprised about that. Because usually the, you know, carbon fiber is expensive, and you don't see it in a lot of shoes these days. But this one has it. It has a very little small amount here at the bottom, as you can see. You know, the reflection of it, and it really unique. And again, this is the left pair. This is for the Nike swoosh sign. Really unique. This is like Kobe's side. And then for the other one, the main difference is, of course, it says Gigi on the back. You know, it's, you know, Gigi Bryant. It says it on the back. Again, nothing too drastic regarding their number and everything. At the bottom is the same. Okay. The only big difference, really, the only thing that's different inside this shoe. I'm going to try to see if I can get a bit of close up. It has the angel wings with number 2 and Mambacita there at the bottom. That's just the way it looks. Okay. I love this shoe. You know, Kobe Bryant. One way I can describe Kobe Bryant growing up in the early 2000s was, God, I hated the Lakers back then because everybody was a Lakers fan, right? But the legacy established, it's cemented for eternity. You know, what he did for the sport, how he brought up. If I could describe him in one word, it'd just be relentless. Like, he was relentless in his craft, relentless in his pursuit of his goals, his championships, the winning mentality he had. There's a reason why they coined the phrase Mamba mentality. And I mean, the guy was just a relentless beast. That's all I can say about him. A lot of respect for that man. And like I said, it was unfortunate that he tragically passed away in that accident. Without further ado, let's give it some grades. I mean, you know where I'm going with this. Overall, excuse me, let's start with basketball first. Start with the basketball purposes. These, a lot of grip. A lot of people like them. A+ right off the bat. Okay. Basketball purposes wise, I see a lot of players use the Protos. They love them. I'm not a fan of the low top because, you know, you get hurt, you know, things of that nature. So, but I'm not going to deduct it any points, but I'm going to go with an A+. But I'm not a fan of the lows because I feel like you can roll your ankle real easily. But, you know, if you tape yourself, if you use ankle braces, that remediates that. So, A+ overall for basketball. Style-wise, you know, casual wearing-wise, I mean, the design, just the feel of it is crazy. I'm telling you, like, you gotta touch this. It feels like scales, like you're actually touching a snake. I'm gonna go with an A+ again. Okay, casual-wise, I mean, look at black and white, you can't beat this. I mean, this will look good with anything. And overall, guys, it's an A+. This thing is amazing. They look amazing. I like the fact that it pays homage to Kobe Bryant and Gigi Bryant. It was just tragic that, you know, both their lives were shortened by that tragic accident that happened. But there you have it, guys. If you have any questions or comments or anything, I was one of the lucky ones. SNRKS app finally came through. I had been taking, you know, 10 L's in a row, whatever it was. And all of a sudden, I got that ping notification that I got exclusive access on SNRKS app May 1st, and boom. And I just bought these. I just got these on Sunday, and look at here. They just got here, and awesome. Everything is good. So thank you, guys. Thanks for the feedback. Like I said, I really appreciate all the support, and y'all have a blessed day.